gentlemen, welcome to our beautiful celebration for tonight. And today we are celebrating the 7th birthday of Emma Rian with a touch of Under the Sea Mermaid Princess. In tonight's celebration, we can have more fun experience to cater for each and everyone that are here tonight.
Si Emma ay makulit, hikay, but napakalambing na bata, you know, very caring siya, clingy.
Baby pa siya, super sweet, at sobrang clingy, lalo na sa akin.
Happy birthday anak, nagkaroon ka palagi ng takot sa Diyos, at palagi mong papakinggan si Mommy and Daddy, and enjoy mo itong araw na ito.
Mommy and Daddy is always there for you. Ayun, love you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to our birthday girl herself, Mom on your dance, Emma Rian!
Na siya ngayon. Nag-start na siya. Actually, medyo mas sad nga ako ngayon kasi nag-start na siya maging independent. Dahil, yun nga, hindi na talaga siya baby.
I wish for you is that you continue to be a kind, cheerful, and loving child and grow up with faith in God.
I wish your healthy, safe. Happy birthday.
Ala, naiyak talaga siya! May luha, guys!
Wala na akong pera!
Grabe naman si Ma'am, napaka-aggressive na yun. Clap her hands to Daddy Jerome.
I want you to always be happy and do what makes you happy, okay? Okay? I love you, baby. Baby pa kita, okay?
Every day, every night. Even if when you're sleeping, I always say that to you. I love you so much.
Happy birthday!